And you can see a kind of perspectival, I'm equally suspicious of, or I suspect as much the senses as I do the words for things. I'm given to them. I'm a sensualist by nature, but I also suspect what I'm addicted to. Marshall McLuhan tells a story about a friend of his. The friend told Marshall McLuhan he took his kid up for his first ride in a plane, and the kid was silent while buckled in and silent while they taxied down the runway. And as the plane took off and reached its cruising altitude, and the father turned to look at him, and finally the kid said, "But when do we start getting smaller?" And I've always loved that story. There's some turn of perspective in it, some perspectival thing that I love. That seems to me central to human dilemmas at large of physics. When you get down to it, Earth has our own great ranges of feeling: rocky, smoky, blue, and a heart that can melt stones. The still pools fill with sky as if aloof, and we have eyes for all of this and more, for Earth's reminding moon. We too are ruled by such attractions, spun and swaddled, rocked and lent a light. We run our clocks on wheels, our trains on time, but all the while we want to love each other endlessly, not only for 100 years, not only 6 feet up and down. We want the suns and moons of silver in ourselves, not only counted coins in a cup. The whole idea of love was not to fall, and neither was the whole idea of God. We put him well above ourselves because we meant in time to measure up.